Hello guys, it's your boy Habib Educate, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to retrieve your 10 GB bundle with MTN. Today I was surveying and doing my research and I came across this Airtel Tigo, should I say post, this Airtel Tigo post which says 3 GB with 20-minute talk time for 10 cities. Bro, with the eSIM. No, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. And yesterday I did a video to this one about the Vodafone, which is giving 1 GB of data bundle, 20-minute talk time, and all this goes for only one Ghana cedis. Just a promo, to help celebrate the Christmas and other stuffs. That's another offer coming from one of the telcos in Ghana. And now MTN also says it is giving 10 GB of data bundle to which people. I don't want to talk much without wasting my time. Let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us, Akwaba, you are welcome to the family. That's just by the way, but I want to take this opportunity, to thank you guys all out there for supporting the channel, for subscribing, for liking, for commenting. I really appreciate that. And one thing I want to tell you, you guys mean a lot to me and you are so special. Your security out there is my concern. As always in my videos, mostly I do talk about your security on social media. Security on social media is very important, because through this carelessness on social media, a lot of people have been duped. They've been fraud and scammed, and whenever I see that, it touches my heart. But that, just by the way, that's not the reason why we are here today, guys. Just want to appreciate and thank you guys. But today I'm going to talk about the 10 GB of data bundle from the 10 telcos in Ghana. MTN is giving 10 GB of data bundle to which people? To all those who have subscribed for the eSIM program. This is so interesting. In this 2022, we saw Airtel Tigo, which is the first to announce the eSIM in Ghana, and later, this December that MTN also introduces the eSIM into the system. But is this official? Though still they are working on it, but I think it is not 100% accurate, if I may say that. So a lot is happening. Airtel Tigo is giving 3 GB, for the subscribers with 20 minutes talk time. MTN is also giving 10 GB to the eSIM, subscribers, and the Airtel Tigo to the eSIM subscribers. Well, yesterday I did a video. If you are a Vodafone user, guys, grab this opportunity. Get 1 GB going for 1 cedis with 20-minute talk times. That's promo, bro. You just know the kind of month in which you are, so just go ahead and grab this opportunity. But as I spoke, about the MTN eSIM, how are you going to register or subscribe to the MTN eSIM? One, you can subscribe through their MTN application. I did a video about that. Here is it, and you can also watch it out. Two, there is a link in the MTN website. When you hit MTN eSIM in Ghana or MTN Ghana eSIM, you're going to see a website. I also did a video about that. You can watch it out and you can register through that. And the third place to register is straight move to any of the MTN office close to you. But whenever you are going, remember to go with your Ghana card. If you are going for the Airtel Tigo eSIM registration, also go with your Ghana card. Same processes. Now, how will you get this 10 GB of bundle? You're gonna get this 10 GB of bundle after you've subscribed to the eSIM. So when you subscribe, you take 10 GB free data bundle away. This video is gonna make sense, or it makes sense, and very educative, guys. I really appreciate your effort, but we are still growing, and I thank you all out there. As I said, your security on social media is my concern. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I leave you in peace. Salam.